Okay, so I like this little one about is this a function or not a function? So here's some tables, okay? 3 different tables. Now, remember, what's a function? Okay, when you define it in terms of these numbers, remember you can only have one unique output, one unique answer to any one input. If you put x equals 4, say, I can't get 2 different answers from the same input. Makes no sense. Put a number into an equation, you'll get one answer out. You won't get 2 different answers out, okay? So the way I look at this is go, okay, if I can't have 2 different answers from one input, then I can't have any repeating inputs in this table. Alright, so look at this. -8 produces a 24. -3 produces a 4. 0 produces a 9. It looks like everything's different. Look, the inputs are all different. There's no input producing this answer and the input producing this answer. You can't have 2 different answers. And the way to clearly see this is look at this. Look at B. This is not a function. Look at that. Okay, repeating inputs or repeating x values. Okay, if you think of x as the input, can't have that. Okay, I can't have 24 producing a 53 and a 29. I can't have 2 different answers from the same input. That's not a function. Okay, so repeating inputs, no. Now look at this. Repeating outputs, well, that's okay. I can get a 4 out from 2 different inputs. And again, I think the classic is always the x squared. Okay, so if I just do y equals x squared. Okay, so if I put -3 into there, if I put -3 where the x is, -3 squared is 9. I'll just write it as an ordered pair. Okay, so but if I put 3 in, don't also get 9 out. Well, can you see it's fine to get the same answer from 2 different inputs. Okay, so again, this is the same answer but from 2 different inputs. So this is okay. Okay, that is a function. Any more on here? Oh, here's a good one, just verbally, very quickly. Now I tried crossing this out earlier because I thought, poof, that's nonsense, but I'll explain why. Your letter grade, does it depend on your numerical grade? That's what that means, a function. Is the letter grade a function of the numerical grade? Does it depend on your numerical grade? Or does your numerical grade depend on your letter grade? Think about this. Your letter grade, it depends on the numerical grade because look, if I give you a 90%, if you score 90%, I will give you an A. So the letter depends on what I give you for the number. I'm not going to say, oh, I'm going to give you a C. What number shall I give you? 70, 71, 78, 79? That makes no sense, okay? So again, the letter grade is a function of the numerical grade. The letter grade depends on the numerical grade. Your number grade does not depend on your letter grade, okay? Think about that. I can't say, hey, I'm giving you a C. I have no idea what number to give you, but I'll give you a C. No, no, no. I've got to grade you and then assign a letter to that, okay? So again, if I give you 85%, I'll give you a B. 75%, I'll give you a C. The letter depends on the number, okay? That's what that is. So the letter grade is a function of the numerical grade, not that, okay?